Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop spam calls on your iPhone. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first I open up my phone and here I will tap on Missed tab, and there are a lot of spam calls. So some of these people I just didn't know. I have no idea who these persons are, and I can select some of them, let it be this person, and I can just tap on block this caller. Let's do this. You will not receive phone calls, messages or FaceTime from people on the block list, and I just tap on this block contact button, and now this person is blocked. And also I can tap here again to unblock this caller. It looks like that. And there is one more way to stop spam calls on iPhone. I just head into settings and I will scroll down to find this phone. Just tap on it, and here I see this option, silence unknown callers. Tap on it, now it's off. When I will toggle it on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions. So now I can toggle it on, and since that time all unknown callers will silence on my phone. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.